How to install SFX plugin in DaVinci Resolve Studio. First open modelslab.com/plugins, then look for SFX for DaVinci Resolve Studio. Click Download Plugin. Now open the Downloads folder and double-click SFX for DaVinci file to install the plugin. Once you have finished the installation, open DaVinci and go to Workspace, then Workflow Integration, then click SFX. A pop-up window will be opened. Go to Preferences in that window and enter your token key. If you don't have the key, click Manage Subscription. It will redirect you to ModelsLab subscription plan page where you can select any plan according to your requirement. Once you have purchased the plan, a key will be assigned to you. You can find on the dashboard of ModelsLab website, copy that key and paste it here, and click Save. This is one-time hustle. Now go to SFX tab and type your prompt. For example, we are going to try sound of a bicycle bell. Click Generate. Isn't that great? Just add this to your timeline and you are good to go. That's it, folks. Keep prompting.
AI Plugins by ModelsLab.